So we are on chapter number 7, which is mode refactoring. We have a couple of more places in zombie helper.sol where you need to implement our modifier on or off. Put it to test, update change name, and update change DNA. Now let's change it. Update change name. Here it is. Passing the zombie ID. Just copy it and paste it here also. Now remove this line and remove this line. So because we are using modifier now, so we don't require that line. Now let's check the answer. Yes, it's correct. Great. So now we have completed chapter number 7. Now let's move on to chapter number 8.